In this video, I will show you how to add credit card to Trello. Well, this is very easy thing to do. So if you just want to buy any of the subscription or if you want to buy the by using your credit card, here, so first of all, you have to add your credit card. Just go to Google and search for Trello plans. And here you have to just click on this first link, the official link by the Trello, and then it will show you all the plans they have currently. So for example, I'm just using currently the free one, but I want to go to the premium. So I will just click on try free, which they give me 30-day free trial plan. So I will just click on try for free here, and we have to just wait for a few seconds, and basically then it will give you 14-day. Actually it has been reduced, so 14-day free trial here. And basically, so here you have to just click on start your free trial, pick a workspace. So I can just use any of these workspace here, and once I select it, for example, I just go for my thumbnails. Now here it will show me try Trello plan premium free for 30 days. So here if I just click on start free trial, it will redirect to me new page, and just click on premium section here. So here it says that I have got premium for around 30 days and I can just access it. So once I have been using Trello after their 30 days, I will able to add my credit card. So to add your credit card, basically you can just see an option here. Let me just close it and let me show it once again. Here it says add payment method. So once you click on add payment method, it will ask you to submit your payment. So here it will ask you your credit number, which is you can just add your credit card number here, expiration date, CVV number, and your country and zip code too. And just click on confirm payment and you will able to add your credit card in Trello. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.